This 2018 Coachmen Galleria 24T is a Class B RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2018 Coachmen Galleria 24T and is powered by a MB 3.0 LV6 turbo engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.